Wait. I think oh no. Why? Oke. Sudah ya?
Sudah, Miss, biar Pak Rizal nanti. Thank you,
I'm
Miss.
so sorry. Okay. Are we clear? Yes. Okay. Host disable participants. I cannot share screen then. No?
Co-host. Bentar.
Okay, that's okay. So I'm gonna try it to write in a chat for a while, yeah. So while waiting for the okay, reading tricks here is okay. Number 1, you should find the topic. Topic from each passage ya. What we call passage, biasanya kita tuh ngomong passage itu adalah paragraph ya. Right. So passage is paragraph, and then so one is you should. Sorry, di situ one you. Then number 2, you have to find the synonym. Okay. Good. So actually the reading tricks and tips here is only 2. Yeah, you should find the topic from each of the passage, and then after that, when you need to find the synonym. Why you have to find the synonym is because the synonym from the choices A, B, C itu biasanya it's always the synonym. Jadi not really sama plek dengan yang tertulis di paragraf. No, it's always the synonym. Begitu ceritanya. So of course again ya, a lot range of vocabularies again. Okay, let me try to. Okay, I still cannot share anything here. Okay, so wait. I am the host. Let me find Miss Diancita. Let me try to. I'm gonna make you as a host ya, Miss Cita.
Miss Eva, saya jadi host saja ya. Ini kok error, saya nggak bisa jadi co-host dan Pak Rizal nggak jadi co-host. Sudah, Miss Eva, sudah jadi host.
Oke.
Oke, thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay, can you see my screen share clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, great. So first is try to find the main idea questions correctly for the skill 1. So I think it's almost same yeah, what our teacher said once we were in the elementary school, karena sebenarnya skillnya reading itu sama saja, right? Dari mulai elementary school, middle school, high school, university, it's same, which is the first questions or skill is find the main idea. Nah, Miss, skill atau main idea itu apa aja sih? Ada topik, subjek, judul, right? Main idea. Nah, semuanya itu dicarinya biasanya itu ketemunya di mana, guys? For the main idea.
Di depan.
Yes, in the beginning of the sentence, right? Right. Jadi topik sama main idea, primary idea, and also find the subject. Sorry, the title itu adalah from the first sentence in every passage, right? Dari masing-masing paragraf. Nah, Miss, how if there are a lot of paragrafnya itu banyak, nggak cuma satu ya, we should combine it. Kita harus mengkombinasikan between the first sentence in the paragraf pertama apa dulu, kemudian paragraf kedua kalimatnya apa lagi, seperti itu, dan kita akhirnya mix it, something like that, right? So, what about the subject? Apa sih kalau subject itu? Subject is kata yang sering muncul ya. Right. Jadi kata yang sering muncul diulang-ulang dalam paragraf itu biasanya juga sering muncul di soal. Right. Apa subjek dari paragraf 1? Contohnya seperti itu. Nah, itu berarti apa sih yang banyak disinggung, ditulis di dalam paragraf itu ngomongin apa. So, something like that, right? So, let's try to take a look the first example here. It's only one passage, hanya satu paragraf aja ya. Try to find the topic. So, kita berarti fokusnya di kalimat pertama ya. In the philosophy of John Dewey, a sharp distinction is made between intelligence and reasoning. That's the first sentence, right? So, yes, what's the topic then? Somebody want to try maybe? Ada yang bisa jawab mungkin?
Bravo, ma'am.
B. Okay, so B ya, distinction made by John Dewey. How can you answer that? Kenapa? The philosophy of John Dewey, in the philosophy of John Dewey, a sharp distinction is made between intelligence and reasoning. Pada filosofi karya John Dewey terdapat perbedaan yang sangat tajam yang dibuat antara intelligence and reasoning. So again, kita harus mencari sinonimnya ya. Jadi ya dari kata tersebut nggak bisa sama plek dengan apa yang tertulis di situ. Any other answer maybe other than B?
Delta.
Delta.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, that's true. So the best answer is D. Why it's D? It's because it's the synonym. Jadi yang D itu adalah sinonimnya. So how the intelligence differs from reasoning in Dewey's work. Bagaimana intelligence berbeda dari reasoning pada karya Dewey. Jadi works is the karyanya ya. Jadi karya dari John Dewey itu sendiri. Terus sinonimnya a sharp distinction between ya. It's differs from reasoning. Gitu. Gitu. Oke. Okay, that's great. So let's go ahead. Kita lanjut ya. Is there any other example? Let me take a look. Okay. Right. Example 2. Nah, ini kebetulan there are 2 passages, ada 2 paragraf ya. Yuk. So find out the best title sekarang. So again, we should focus on the first sentence of each passage dari masing-masing paragraf. Jadi ini ada ya kalimat pertamanya ini, and then sampai this one. Okay. Yes.
Maybe amen.
Yeah. Somebody answer different, maybe different answer. The first paragraph said nitrogen fixation is a process by which nitrogen is continuously fed into biological circulation. Dan basic 2, kalimat pertamanya adalah the opposite process of denitrification returns nitrogen to the air. Jadi kira-kira between two sentences, we should try to combine. Jadi yang pertama itu ngomongin tentang proses nitrogen fixation. Terus second paragraph said the opposite process. Nah, jadi ada proses sebaliknya dari nitrogen fixation, yaitu namanya denitrification. So the best title-nya apa nih kira-kira? Sorry, ya. Kalau if you answer nitrogen fixation, it's gonna be explained about nitrogen fixations only. Jadi kalau milih judulnya itu nitrogen fixation, jadi paragraf 1 dan paragraf 2 it's gonna be tells about nitrogen fixation, while in the second paragraph it tells about denitrification. Jadi denitrification adalah proses sebaliknya atau proses kebalikan dari nitrogen fixation. So there are two process of nitrogen gitu. Yang satu namanya nitrogen fixation. Yang kedua namanya denitrification. Right. So there are two processes of nitrogen. The best answer is B. Gitu, kakak. Susah kah? Kita langsung coba. Confusing maybe ya, hanya confusing. So let's try to do the exercises. Jadi kuncinya lagi ya, in reading nggak usah dibaca ya. So you just go ahead into question. Jadi langsung aja, because if you read first, it doesn't seems like you will understand. Jadi percuma. Even though you just wasting time if you read. Habis dibaca pun belum tentu paham, right? Isinya apa gitu, right? So just go ahead directly to questions. Nah, because in every questions itu sudah ada keywords-nya, nanti itu sudah ada kata kuncinya sendiri. Jadi let's say ya, misalnya nomor 1 ini Jilala yang ditanyain topik gitu kan ya, ya udah langsung menuju aja di kalimat pertama gitu kan ya, di masing-masing paragrafnya. Nanti let's say misalnya nanti ada soal lagi berapa kemudian yang menanyakan tentang kata apa gitu ya, langsung aja you just go ahead directly cari, oh kata ini yang dicari udah. Nah di paragraf itu langsung nanti kita cari dalam satu kalimat utuh kita baca, jadi tidak perlu membaca satu paragraf penuh gitu. Nanti baru once you done for 50 numbers and then you still have free time and then just go back, right? Balik lagi baru baca lagi begitu. Gitu ya. Okay. So you can try to do guys for number 1 and 2. Have you got the answers?
Maybe Miss.
Number 1 ya, number 1 first. Oh, number 1, your answer B.
Yes.
B. Okay, so let's take a look. Can you